Hello and welcome. Today we're going to do another texture painting, but this is going to be different than the last one. Again, version 4.32. I have the default cube here. Did a lot of digging and I could not get it to paint with the mouse pointer or the mouse until I figured out how it worked. Plus, in the process of my research, I found out a couple other features. So you click texture paint and you get this purple image which says there's no texture. But you can add one directly right here. You can see base color, add a base color, and there's our base color in our UV window. And here's our cube. Now, what I found is you can't draw there. You can draw here. It's outside the object, but you cannot draw there unless you do the following. And so the options you have to do are, you go down to options and turn off backspace culling. Turn that off, and then you can draw. Okay. Now I also like to change the cursor settings, and I gotta confess I don't quite understand what these settings do. The fall off opacity, the texture opacity. We're not going to be using mask, but we'll crank that up all the way. And then I want the drawing to use this sharp edge fall off, which I don't understand what the difference is. Okay, so now we've got this guy set up. And we're looking at using the paint hard brush. Right? This is new also. Relatively new to paint. Now I'm going to hit the F key and drag my mouse over to where I got a real small pointer. If I do a Shift F, I can change the strength of it. I'm going to leave it at 100 for this. And I'm going to draw a V. I guess I went too far. Cross like that. Okay. Now, if we move the thing around, you can see it's only there one spot. That's the number 1 key on the number pad. So what happens if we change the settings and we turn on or turn off occlude? I'm going to show you that. I'm going to hit the numpad 3, nothing there. Control numpad 3, nothing there. Okay, so now I'm going to draw there. Let's pick a different color. Pick blue, for instance. And I'm going to draw a terrible circle. Notice it showed up in 2 places on the unwrap. Okay, this is numpad 3. This is control numpad 3. So it's there twice when you turn off the, or when you disable occlude. All right, so now let's upload this to Second. Oh, before we upload to Second Life, let's shrink it down. It's way too big. S 0.25. And then hit the Z key. We'll go to material preview to show that, and go into object mode so you can see it's on both sides for that guy, but only one side for that guy and the other ones are clean. All right, so we're going to do, I have an add-on for this, but so I can do a Control S, save as in my folder, and right over this previous variation of the cube. Now I'm going to I did some experimenting. It turns out I didn't need to pack the external data. So I'm going to do an export, Collada, legacy. Be sure you click this guy. Don't have any business exporting the camera and the light. And Second Life doesn't know what to do with them. Now I'm going to go over to Second Life. And we're going to import this puppy. Hopefully, bug I just discovered won't show up. Model cube 934, that looks about right. I go to upload options, click textures, and I can hit the control key and move it around, and there's, yep, I just discovered the bug again. That's the previous version of the cube. So in order to fix that, I had to exit from the viewer and restart the viewer. I don't know if clearing the video cache would do that. I'll experiment with that later. But the point is, I had, like I said, exited the viewer, restarted the viewer, and then did another upload, and it solved the problem. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with that. That is weird. I wonder if clear settings and reset the form would do anything. Upload model. Bear with me here. Pick the cube, go to the upload textures, pick this guy. Nope, didn't help a bit. Sorry to put you through this agony of seeing this, but that may be something you might want to look for. I'm assuming if I change the name when I saved it from cube to cube 2 or something, that would go away. Okay, so we can, I'm not going to pick the level of detail. I covered that on the previous video, but I'm going to do a calculate the weights, do an upload. There it shows up in my inventory. Does it? Give it a moment here for the texture to show up. Come on, you can do it. Maybe. Did that once before. It started me walking. Why? There it goes. All right, there's the object. The wrong object, but hopefully your viewer, Firestorm, which doesn't seem to work on my system anymore, won't have that problem. Thanks a lot for watching. Please click the like button and make a comment. Tell me what you did or didn't like about this thing. It helps the algorithm so that YouTube will promote it better. See you again soon. Bye.